Now, this is a lockwood valveless pulsejet engine. It's designed to produce 100 pounds of thrust. I haven't tested it yet to see if it's going to make 100 pounds of thrust. I've had it set up before and ran it on propane. I've got a 100-pound propane tank. I'm not sure I can get enough fuel out of the propane tank to run it at full thrust, so I've made a second fuel nozzle to run it off of gasoline. I'm going to do a walk around of the engine and show you my nozzles, how I've got everything set up, and then I'm not going to have time to run it today. Hopefully we can run it tomorrow and test out the liquid gasoline fuel injectors and see if they work and see what kind of power we're producing. Again, just walk you around the engine and show you what I've done, how I've got it designed. If you guys can give me any help on making the full rated thrust, sure would be appreciated. Anyway, now I'll walk you around the engine and show you what I've got. The engine is made out of 316L stainless. It's 18 gauge stainless. Here's my mounting system for the test stand. You can see this is the back side where the gasoline fuel nozzle screws in. At the very bottom you'll see that's where the propane, back side of the propane, where the propane screws in to connect to the engine. There are my fittings for the gasoline. And I don't know if you can see, I'm going to try to get a shot of the inside, see if you can see the fuel nozzles. You'll see the fuel nozzles in there. The first one is the propane and the second one is the gasoline. And I've got it's number 55 wire drill bits, the size of the holes for the propane and the gasoline. There I used stainless steel 316 unions and welded those in, and then welded the pipe, the fuel nozzle, to the other side, so we got a good airtight seal. This line, this is 1/2-inch tubing. It's going to come back, and this is really just for the test stand to see if it's going to work. I've got my pump for my gasoline hooked in here. The throttle is going to be a dump valve system. I'll have the valve opens up to a dump that goes back to my gas tank, and to throttle it up I'll just close off the dump, which will force more fuel into the gasoline nozzles. And I'm running a Aeromotive racing fuel pump. I believe this pump pumps by, I think it's rated at 600 pounds an hour. It's got good pressure on it. We'll start it first on propane, get it hot, switch over to gasoline to vaporize the gasoline, and hopefully it works. It'll give me the rated thrust. Like, I'm looking for 100 pounds of thrust out of this particular engine. These are the welds on the inside of the pipe. Completely purged it with argon, and got good penetration, good burn in, with no real color on the inside. You'll notice a patch in the back when we had the stainless laser cut and had it on a CAD program for them to cut the sheet metal with the laser, and I messed up some of the numbers and got my cones. Small cone was supposed to be a little under 3 inches, and for some reason I was about a ½ inch off on my CAD, so it was too small, so we patched it in. It's not real pretty, but it holds. This cone was patched, and also, you can't see it, the back side of the exhaust tube was also patched for the same reason. And you can see the patch from the inside. The U, it's stainless steel. Got that from Stainless Works it's a car exhaust, and the inside diameter of that's a little under 3 inches. So that met with my specifications. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to run it and see how it starts. Starts up really well. When I was running on propane, a couple times it self-started. Other times I had to use a leaf blower to blow a little air in the intake to get it started. It's got good throttle range. Idles down real nice. Like I said, with the propane wide open, it just seems like it's not getting enough fuel. So hopefully the gasoline setup will take care of that. Thank you for watching.